The number one thing on my summer bucket list is road tripping with friends.
The number one thing on my bucket list is camping with friends up north.
The number one thing that I want to do over this summer is go cliff jumping at the quarries.
I'm looking to learn how to surf.
Well, I don't know if it's possible, but I've always wanted to climb a water tower.
Okay, the number one thing on my summer bucket list is to watch all 10 seasons of Friends in 3 months.
This summer I want to go to the drive-in movies.
This summer, I want to grow a couple inches.
My summer bucket list is I want to go cliff jumping.
I'll probably just hang out with Philip, this guy right here. Hang out with him a bunch. Pretty good friends.
This summer, I want to learn to wakeboard.
This summer I want to try Whataburger in Dallas, Texas.
This summer, I really want to just randomly drive up to Duluth one day and go hiking around and then come back that night.
The number one thing on my bucket list is to go on every ride at Valley Fair in one day.
This summer, I really want to see Northern Lights for the first time.
This summer, I want to go skydiving with light sticks taped to my body so I'm like a falling star.